Good morning, everybody. Here at Never Done Projects, we are just a silly little YouTube channel. Today is Sunday, March 15th, 2026. We got 26 days to Burnout Rivals Freedom Factory. On my agenda today, it's kind of chilly this morning, but you see, I got my coat right over there. But, it feels nice. Maybe it'll warm up pretty good kind of quick. I have walked around this building, trucks, trailer, and I have no idea where my coffee cup is. I remember drinking water out of it yesterday. I remember getting Randy a drink and me getting ice and pouring me a water in it and drinking water while we was working on the trailer, but I have no idea what I've done with my cup. So I got my coffee making in a styrofoam cup back there until I can find mine. But anyway, so I've wasted a lot of time. I did take Kane out for a walk. He darted out the other day and kind of made me mad because he took off. I thought he was going to run on over to the neighbors, and because he took off wide open after, I think it was a bird or a squirrel. He just took off, wouldn't listen to nothing I said. So it was kind of hard to get him back in once I got my hands on him. I had to call Randy to bring me the rope. So I haven't been letting him out without the leash. But I let him out in the back today. I carried the leash with me, and instead of letting him stay close up here, as soon as we went out the door, I headed out towards the back. And he don't like trying to cut through. I did find that out, so that was nice. He don't like cutting through thick brush. So if I can get him away from the building down into the gully, he's not going to go anywhere. It's got a fence on the front, and it's where he's logged the place. It's kind of rough on getting away from that hole. So he was able to run around down there and really enjoy himself. So I probably spent 30, 45 minutes out there letting him run. So then I come in here looking for my coffee cup, and heck, it's just about 9:30, and I've not even got anything started. I did open the trailer, let it air out, and like I said, I've not made my coffee's making because I didn't have my coffee cup. Usually I don't have my coffee drink by now. But anyway, what I got going on today is I'm going to get ready for the breakfast live here. And Randy should be on his way, and I think Justin and Carmen's coming. So we'll get the breakfast live going here. I do want to work on the trailer today because I want to build the beds and start trying to finalize everything. I've got to go order some stuff for the doors. The bathroom door, I'm just going to make it a regular door, but with Mike's idea, and when Mike told me that, and then I got to thinking, I have to, one way or the other. Randy's wanting to go and do just a slide curtain thing, and I like the idea, I really do, but there's something when it gets on my mind, it's going to kill me if I don't do it, if I don't do it now, if we just put up the slide thing, I won't do it. We'll be too busy to change it. It's working, we won't mess with it. So I want to go ahead and try to figure it out now while we're working on this trailer and do it the way I want it. And I told him if it got closer and I couldn't figure the door out like I'm wanting to do and make it work, I did look at some more stuff yesterday. If I could not figure it out, then we'll just go buy that, because that's just a couple screws that fits right up and then it just slides over. So if I can't figure it out and get it going, then we'll go get what Randy's talking about. But before I get started on doing anything here, I've been keeping it on the list the last couple of days. I'm going to raise Fireball up, go get the belt, and I'm going to see how it works. And then if it don't, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get the hot water going to see if I can get that belt on that car. I need to get the belt on the car and take those wheels that were taken to the Freedom Factory. I need to take them back off and put just another set on for now, and just take those wheels with us. And I still need to get to a point where I can try the ramps out. I keep putting that on there because we need to see it. You see, we got 26 days. I want to do it, but today's Sunday, and you know that means we'll be doing small stuff from now to the end of the week. If I don't get it today, then hopefully by next weekend we'll be to the point where there's enough done on the trailer that we can move it. But then we got 6 p.m. live in the video. I'm sure, well, I didn't put it up here, but you know the race with Chester. Chester comes over here and the race is on. I assume they got a race today. I haven't heard. And Chester came yesterday when Randy and we was here all day, and Chester didn't show up. As soon as we went to get something to eat, he pulled in the driveway. So, but we'll see how that goes, and we'll go from there. Remember, do something today you can smile about tomorrow. The trailer's coming along right along, so I can smile about that. I hated to stop and go eat, and I hated to go do the running that we needed to buy some stuff, but you can't work without materials, so we got stuff a little bit closer, and I've got to lay everything out to see exactly where everything's going to go and how we're going to do the lights. But I'm telling you, working on that trailer, it's worked on us. I'm tired. I know Randy is, but that's part of it. It feels good about what we done yesterday, so I can smile about it. Remember, you got 1,440 minutes in every day. The goal is to be safe and be happy. If you're not on your projects, get out there and get on them. You really need to enjoy yourself. Y'all have a good day, good night whenever you're watching this, and remember, keep it silly. Thank you.
Welcome back to the channel. You are tuned into Never Done Projects, where we never stop having fun, and we never stop making our cars faster. If you enjoy burnouts, you're in the right place. Let's go.
All right, everybody. Before I started on the trailer and everything, I come up here and I did get the belt on. You see, it's just a little bit difference. It's a 5 rib versus 6, but it is on and it's really, really tight. But I'm going to fire it up to see if it's going to stay on and maybe charge the battery. I believe I'm going to fire it up and back it off the lift and let it sit there and run a little bit, see if it's going to charge the battery. So anyway, be right back. something ain't making sense to me. I have knocked something loose somewhere for it to be doing that. There's a leak somewhere that's not supposed to be here. I have knocked something loose in all this. There it went. And for some reason my power steering pump's not working. Alright, be right back. Okay, evidently the alternator's not putting out, or it's not hooked up. I got to find the wires to go to it. I thought we had it hooked up. I'm gonna have to see exactly what's going on, but the reason it was running the way it was is the battery was going dead. I've got the jump box hooked to it right now, and it's running right. Yep, and with that being said, my power steering's working. So I got to figure out the alternator. I'll be right back.